Hey, welcome to another episode of Digital Dental Marketing Made Easy. I'm Natalia Prost, founder of MP Marketing, and you are in the right place if you are a general dentist or a dental specialist and you want to grow your practice via smart online marketing strategies. Make sure to subscribe though to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our video tutorial recommendations or even guest speakers that we have on here. Today I'm covering how to share content directly on Instagram. I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways as to how you could do this. Let's get started. Hey guys, I want to show you how to share from your feed onto your stories. You could pretty much share any feed post onto your story either from your own account or from anyone else's account who has a public profile on Instagram. So this here is your feed. And for example, let's say I want to share this last post onto my story, either because I want to get more engagement through stories or because I just want to make people aware that we just posted this onto our feed. So I would simply select that little airplane button right here and I would tap on that and add post to your story. Here you could add some engagement stickers if you want to. You could see that there's a bunch of them right here. You could add a question, or if you want, you could add, for example, even a poll if you wanted to when you would ask a question. Next thing you would do, obviously you're going to place this correctly, and then you would send it to your story by clicking that button right here. So you could do the same thing with anyone else's public Instagram profile. So for example, let's say I just saw this one. This is the first thing that popped up on my feed. I want to post this onto my story. It is not going to post as a video, but as a static photo. So let me show you how that would occur. Same thing, I would use the same little airplane button to go add post to your story, and this is what would show up. And the good thing about this is that any of these are clickable on Instagram. So pretty much as soon as you publish this onto your story, someone could click on that and they could go back onto your feed, which is why you're creating some engagement there on your feed. Or for example, you want to let someone know that, hey, I just posted. Okay, so that's something great. So the next thing I want to show you is how to be able to share a story where you've been tagged on. So this is the other way that you could actually share a story from someone else. The only way though is if they have to absolutely tag you. So for example, a lot of patients, I do see that they're taking a lot of photos within the clinic and then they're uploading them to their stories and they're forgetting to tag you. So you want to make sure that you remind them so that you can reshare them, and that's how engagement starts. So let me show you an example. So here we go. I just actually uploaded a story from my own personal account and I tagged NP Digital Marketing. So let's see how it would appear. So first of all, you would get a notification that saying right here that one story mentions you. So you could go ahead, check it out. And as you see, there's a button right there on the bottom that says add this to your story. It's very easy to do. You simply add it there. And again, you could add some stickers right here. You could add a hashtag, even your location, to increase engagement and to increase the number of people that can actually see you or reach you. The other way would be either if you don't see that little notification, you're going to see the other one, which is actually directly in your inbox. And again, it would say add to your story, same steps right there. So make sure again that you are asking your patients to tag you. And the little tip would be to have something printed out within your operatories that have your handle there so that your patients do not forget to tag you when they're adding to their stories. And you have to be monitoring your Instagram account to make sure that you don't miss out on that story. It only stays there for about 24 hours. So make sure to reshare it right away. So the third kind of sharing that you can do is sharing reel. So contrary to regular feed posts, you can actually share a reel and it's going to appear as a video versus appearing statically. So let me show you. So for example, if I want to go share someone else's reel, I would simply go seek them out. So I had someone already here that had a great reel. So let's say that we want to share this reel right here. We would simply go again, airplane icon right here on the bottom. And as you can see, it appears as an actual video on your story instead of being a static photo. You would follow the same steps pretty much if you want to share any of your own reels. So again, you simply share it like so. Again, it's going to appear, the whole thing is going to appear onto your story. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you is how to be able to share one of your patients' posts directly on your own Instagram feed. Now, why would you be doing that as a dentist? It is very likely that after a treatment that one of your patients has received, They go on, they are now very happy with their smile. They actually start taking a lot more photos of their smile and posting them up onto their own Instagram feed. The difference of taking, let's say, a before and after photo within your clinic and them taking their own picture is that they're going to have all makeup on, they're going to be outside, it's going to be a beautiful photo, they're going to have all of the different elements that have a great photo, and they're going to be showcasing their smile, aka your results, right? So you want to be able to show that onto your Instagram feed. So how to do that? There's two ways. One way, which is using a third-party tool called Repost, and there's more apps like Repost where you can simply regram and you're going to see the person's little icon, and it's going to take the caption originally that person uploaded onto their Instagram account, and it's going to copy it. My recommendation though would be that you don't go that route. Instagram doesn't really like the API, doesn't really like this kind of third-party tool being used on their own platform. What I would recommend is that first you reach out to that patient, you ask for permission to regram one of their photos. You go, you get a print screen of that photo, you edit it directly on your phone, and then you actually use that. And within the caption of that photo that you are regramming, you give them credit. So it would look something like the following. Let's go ahead and see and check it out, how I would do that. So I'm going to go on my own personal account, and let's say that I want to take one of my pictures. Let's say I'm taking this one. I would do a print screen right there. I'm going to edit this. I'm simply going to crop it. Done. Save to photos. Now this is a photo that I'm going to be posting onto my account, and I would give credit. So I would do an @ my own account, for example, or your patient's account, and I would say photo credit goes to this patient. This is a fantastic way of using UGC or user-generated content on your feed and showcasing your amazing results in a very natural, beautiful photography way to share it to your prospective patients. Let me know if you do have any questions in the comments below. Now, I'm going to send you to our newest offering, which is a social media starter kit for dentists, and you can check out all of the details here. It's an amazing A to Z starter kit of everything that you need to know to really be successful on social media. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video below. I will see you next time, same place. Bye for now.